In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy, link, and sync Jira Cloud issues using the Elements Copy and Sync Cloud app. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage this powerful tool to streamline your workflow seamlessly. So let's dive in. To get started, you'll need to open your Jira account and navigate to the Apps section. Here you'll see the option to explore more apps. Click on this and then in the search bar type Elements Copy and Sync. Once you've found it, proceed to install the app by following the on-screen setup instructions. This process is straightforward, so just follow the prompts and soon enough the app will be ready to use. Now that you have the app installed, return to the Apps section and select Elements Copy and Sync from your list of installed apps. At this point, you'll want to create a tailored process for copying and syncing your Jira issues by clicking on Create a New Recipe. Essentially, a recipe in this context is a set of rules and configurations that determine how your issues will be handled. For our purposes today, select Copy and Synchronize Jira Issues from the available options. It's essential to give your new recipe a name that clearly represents its function. This will make it much easier to manage as you implement similar processes in the future. Once you've named it, click on Create to proceed. Next, you'll need to configure the source for the issues you wish to copy and sync. After setting your parameters, it's always a good idea to run a test to ensure everything is set up correctly. Look for the Run Test option and give it a click. If everything looks good, you can now click on Activate in the top right corner of your screen to enable your recipe. With your recipe active, you're ready to start copying and syncing your first issue. Open an issue in Jira and notice the three dots in the top right corner of the issue window. When you click on these, you'll see a menu option to copy and sync. Select this option. Now from the list of recipes, choose the one you've just created. This will bring up several drop-down menus where you can select the project and issue type you want your copied issue to be associated with. Choose accordingly and click Submit. Following this, a Create Issue window will pop up. This is where you'll fill in the necessary details, such as the summary and any other information pertinent to the new issue. Once all fields are filled out, click Create and your issue will be successfully copied and synced across your Jira platforms. And there you have it, you've learned how to effectively copy, link and sync Jira Cloud issues using the Elements Copy and Sync Cloud app. With this tool, managing issues becomes not only more efficient but also more organized, keeping your team aligned and your projects on track. Thanks for watching and happy syncing.